it's really not easy to keep a marketing department accountable, especially if you are not marketer yourself, right? But you as a founder, you don't always need to be a marketer, right? Most of the founders that I personally know, they don't come from a marketing background. So there are a lot of things that we need to think about when running a marketing department. And one key thing or important thing that founders always struggle with is how do we measure success and how do we keep our team accountable. When it comes to accountability, there are a few things that you can do, but today I wanted to introduce you with one simple thing that you can introduce, to your team that will like make everybody's life easier, especially yours. So here's the thing. From now on, every single time your marketing team writes down a task, right, they should be writing down those tasks with numbers. What do I mean? Let me just give you a few examples. So maybe the marketing department is saying, hey, for the next 1 week, here are the things that we're going to do. We're going to write a blog post, we're going to post on social media, and we're going to create a video, right? These are the 3 things that they will be doing. That's what they say. Now, the right way to write these tasks down, and they should be writing it down, is how they should be asking themselves, how can we add different numbers with these different tasks? Like, for example, whenever they're saying we're going to post on social media, they should be writing, we're going to post on social media on 6 different platforms, for example, right? If they're saying we're going to write a blog, then the question can be, how many words are we talking about, right? So they should be writing, we're going to write a blog post of 2,000 words, I don't know. And then if they're saying we're going to create a video, then how long will the video be? So it's just to give an idea, right? And to make the task a lot more solid and for everybody to be very accountable. Like they now know they're not going to just write a blog post. They now know they're going to write a blog post of 2,000 words, right? So introduce this one thing if you can. Ask them, your team members, whenever they're writing down a task, ask them to add 1 or 2 numbers with it so that it's measurable, so that they stay accountable and you also know exactly what to expect. I hope this was helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. I hope this was helpful. Keep on watching. I hope this was helpful. Let me know, how do you keep your team accountable? Would love to hear it. So I hope this was helpful. Please do comment exactly how you keep your team accountable. Love to learn from you. Thank you so much, and see you on the next one.